This is the last 24 hours of Daniel Karji from Minnesota. You can see him booked into the training schedule. He attended our one-on-one training session yesterday. Read the comments he sent about what he thought of the session, and then watch what happened on his first day. Today is June the 28th, 2023, so it's the first day following Daniel's training session. And to be fair with Daniel, he left the feedback after spending 2 hours being privately trained, during which time he actually saw the trading system in operation. So he will not be in any way surprised to see that today the system has gone on to blast over $3,000 in profits. He was told in no uncertain terms exactly what to expect. The only thing that may surprise him is the realization that unlike 99% of the get-rich-quick scammers trying to sell fake systems, he's actually got hold of something which is going to change his life. At 35 years of age, he's a young guy, and this turn of a friendly card, to coin a phrase, could not have come at a better time for him. He now has full control of his financial future. And as you can see, yet again I'm showing you not just every trade that the system took during the London session, but I'm also showing you the complete MT4 account, with every trade time and date stamped. Out of curiosity, even I keep scouring YouTube to see what the competition is out there, and I get frustrated with the realization that the very best that you're going to get are instructions on how to backtest some whimsical idea manually on TradingView, in the hope that the results will give you the confidence to give the wacky idea a try. Here's the problem though with backtesting. No matter how good a backtest result, it's only theoretical trading, and the results of a backtest can never be relied on in real market conditions, because what happens today in the trading markets will almost certainly be radically different than what happened during the backtest. What you need to ask yourself is, why do you not see real trading sessions such as this? Why do these system developers refuse to show you the system trading during one of the 3 global sessions? I'm not trying to be cynical when I say this, but maybe we all know the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. You can see we have everything you need to get you into the top 2% of traders worldwide. Head across to Telegram right away and speak with Chris Douglas UK. Without delay, you'll be amazed at our low pricing.